All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So I want to give you guys an update on the union switchover process from the non-union journeyman to union journeyman. Um, I've been messaging the, I don't know, member development team member. So I've been texting him back and forth and calling him, emailing him and stuff like that, sending him my information for the the information for my application. I believe that's the same guy, unless I'm emailing two different people. Have to double check on that real quick. But anyways, I'm emailing some guy with my application, which only might need one more piece of information. I'll have to check my email after this. So basically just need an old utility bill from a year ago proving where I live for jurisdiction and stuff like that. So other than that, the guy that I've been texting and calling, he basically found me a job. They basically want me to come work for them. I said that I would, so that will start in a couple of weeks on Monday, so not this week. So Wednesday is my last day of work, non-union, and then Thursday they want me to come up to their shop and fill out paperwork, and then on Monday I will be starting. And I don't know if it's exactly what I want, but I'm willing to try it, and I just want to get into the door into the union. I'm not sure if I said no, how fast I would be able to get another job or another position. So it is a little bit more out of my league, I guess, but I'm willing to try it. And they said if I didn't like it or anything like that, just tell them, let them know, and it wouldn't even matter. Like they said, like, don't invest in us. He didn't say this in a rude way, but he said, we don't want to invest in you if you don't want to invest in us. So he basically just said, let us know as soon as possible if you don't like it or whatever, and then I can just not work there or whatever. So I'm not sure how all that stuff works, finding another job or anything like that. But so far, these people have been helping me out and got me this job. So I will be starting that, like I said, on Monday, whatever that is, 18th, Monday the 18th or something of January. So yeah, I will be doing that, and it will be out of town for a week or two, and then if I like it or whatnot, I can stay out of town for like another 5 weeks. So we'll see. But the company that I'm going to work for does 4 work days, so 4 10-hour days. So I have Friday off every week, and I haven't done tens in a while. But having an extra day off is really nice. So they said you don't have to work any overtime or anything like that if I want to. It's optional. So that's not bad. But so far it sounds pretty good, and they're willing to like train me and do different types of things. Some of the jobs, the job that I'm going to is actually going to be industrial, which I haven't really ever done. So it's going to be like they said GMC, which is galvanized metallic conduit, which is like rigid. I've ran a few pieces of pipe and stuff like that, but not like a whole job site. So I'll be doing some of that stuff, which will be fun. I've done it a few times, running the machine, threading pipes and stuff like that. So we'll see how that goes. And then there's a few other jobs they were telling me about. So anyways, I'll get to that later at a different time, but see if I like it in the first place. But so I'll be going out of town for at least a week or two. Yeah, so anyways, I'm excited. It's a little bit intimidating or scary, but I'm willing to try it, and I'm excited. So just want to give you guys an update on that. But that's pretty much it. It's been pretty smooth so far. Got a new job lined up before I even left my old job, so that's nice. And it sounds like they work all over the place, which probably isn't the best because I'll lose sleep and have to get wake up earlier and get to job sites earlier. Well, I mean, the job sites start about the same time, but because they're further distance away, I have to wake up earlier, stuff like that. So anyways, it's not that big of a deal. I would love to work in town, obviously, as close as possible to my house or this general area, but I'm willing to try it out. And I could have said no, but I want to try it out. And they'll obviously give me per diem, which is probably, they said, like $130 to $150 a day. That does not include hotels, so I'd have to find a hotel. But obviously, any money I don't spend, I will be able to pocket. So if the hotel costs $70 and they gave me $130, I would pocket that extra $60 per day, or anything that I don't spend on food and stuff like that. So that is the bonus of working out of town, is getting extra money for food and saving the extra money. So that's like a nice added bonus for working out of town. But the downside is that it's sometimes extremely boring. Like if you're at a hotel, sometimes it can get really depressing and boring. But other than that, I've always brought an Xbox or something to play games or whatnot to keep myself busy. And I can also make YouTube videos and stuff like that. But anyways, that's my little update for you guys. So stay tuned. That will be in a couple of weeks. So yeah, that should do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. One subscriber away from 4,400, and it would help the channel out if you liked. And don't forget to check the description for anything else. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams and stuff like that. Thank you so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your night. Peace out. And one more thing I did forget to mention, some of the work that I will be doing as an organ, which unfortunately is lame, but they said they need organ journeyman pretty badly, so it will give me, it will kind of make me look good to be working an organ for them or fill their need, make me more valuable to them. So that's good. And also there was one other thing I just forgot. Anyways, I forgot. I'll think about it here in a second. All right, so the other thing is they said I might be running a few small jobs, basically just explaining to me what to do and then being in charge of an apprentice. So hopefully, I don't know, I'm not saying hopefully, but I don't want to be running no big job sites like the job sites that I've been at where you have multi-stories and a whole bunch of stuff. I just want to do work and get paid to do it. I don't really want to run jobs and do that kind of responsibility and stress and stuff like that. That's what I'm assuming, but I just kind of want to go there and work and get my money and go home. But anyways, we'll see how it goes. So that's a little bit more intimidating as well, running a few small job sites or stuff like that. But as far as being in charge of apprentice, I've obviously done that for a long time and it's not a big deal. Just like lining people out and stuff like that. But anyways, that's my last of my updates. I think that covers everything. All right, peace out.